Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. Let's continue our chapter from tasting to digesting. First, I will discuss objectives of today's class. After completion of this part, you will be able to describe about digestion. Next, to explain the importance of glucose in our daily life. Okay? First, food enters into our mouth. Teeth help us to chew food. This is our teeth. Okay. Next, saliva gets mixed with food and makes it soft. This is a saliva. Okay. Next, this is our tongue. Our tongue helps us to move food from left to right and right to left. Helps to mix saliva with the food. Next, pushes food for swallowing. Last, helps to taste our food. So, these are our tongue functions. Okay. Next, meaning of digestion. Because after food enter into our mouth, that goes into our digestion part. Okay. First, meaning of digestion. Digestion is the process in the gastrointestinal tract by which food is converted into substance that can be utilized by the body. This is our digestion system. Here one word come, gastrointestinal. Meaning of gastrointestinal is relating to the stomach and the intestine. Clear, students? Next, this is our digestion part. Okay. First, our food come into our mouth. Then it goes into stomach through food pipe. Then it goes into stomach. Then small intestine. After that, large intestine, and in the last, waste material is thrown by anus part. Okay. So, now discussion time. First question. How do you feel when you are very hungry? How would you describe it? For example, someone we jokingly say, I'm so hungry, I could eat an elephant. You also say same thing when you feel hungry to your mother. Okay. When we are hungry, some strange sound comes out of my stomach, means our stomach. Our head also feels dizzy. So, we are describing like that. Okay. Next question. How do you come to know that you are hungry? When get a strong feeling to eat something. This is a strong feeling to show that we are hungry. Okay. Think what would happen if you do not eat anything for 2 days? We think if we do not eat anything for 2 days, we will become very weak and may fall sick because our body feel very weak and we maybe fall sick. Okay, next. Would you be able to manage without drinking water for 2 days? Where does water drunk by us goes? So, answer is no, we will not be able to manage even for 1 day. Also without water. The water is used for various functions of our body and the extra water is removed in the form of sweat and urine. Clear all of you? So here we studied one story. Okay. Neetu was given a glucose drip. Neetu was very sick. All day she was vomiting and she also had loose motions. Whatever she ate, she vomited. Her father gave her sugar and salt solution. By evening, Neetu was feeling weak and dizzy. When she got up to go to the doctor, she fainted. Her father had to carry her to the doctor. The doctor said that Neetu should get admitted in the hospital. She needs to be given a glucose drip. Hearing this, Neetu got confused. She knew that during the games period in school, the teacher sometimes gave them glucose to drink. But what was a glucose drip? Doctor Auntie explained, your stomach is upset, your body is not keeping any food and water, and it has become very weak. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly, even without eating. So students, in this story, Neetu, she was very sick. All day she was vomiting and she also had loose motion. So in that time, she admitted in the hospital. She needs to given a glucose drip. Here the word come glucose drip. You listen about the glucose, but you don't know the glucose drip. Okay, wait. First we discuss something. Do remember that in class 4, you made a solution of sugar and salt? Yes, ORS. Correct. Neetu's father also made this and gave her. Why do you think this is given to someone who has vomiting and loose motion? Have you heard the word glucose or seen it written anywhere? Where? This is the glucose. This is the glucose powder pouches. Okay, different pouches available in the market. In case of vomiting and loose motion, the amount of water, salt and sugar decreases in the body, which can be dangerous. Salt and sugar solution is given to replenish the loss. Same thing happened in our story. Neetu also having vomiting and loose motion now. So that's why the doctor give glucose drip. So this is a glucose powder. It goes into the stomach, but it takes some time to give energy. But glucose drip instantly goes our body and give instant energy. So this is the difference between glucose and glucose drip. Clear all of you? So now some more points about glucose. Glucose sweet in taste. When we play outdoor games, we sweat a lot, which results in loss of water, salt and sugar from our body. To replenish this loss, we should have glucose solution. Okay. So what we learn? Once again, we repeat journey of food. Food enters our mouth, we taste and chew it. Food enters the stomach through food pipe. Food gets mixed with digestive juices. Stomach churns and food is digested. Digested food gives energy to the body in the form of glucose. Undigested food passes through small intestine and large intestine. And undigested food is thrown out from the body in the form of waste. So students, all of you cleared it? Thank you.